YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got another request video here for setting the endpoints on the nb4. So I've reset these to stock. Don't worry about the fans, they're unplugged. Shouldn't get hot, we're not using it. So when you've got your nb4 powered up, you've got your RC powered up, you want to go into EPA. We're just going to set the steering endpoints at first. So what you're looking for, when you turn, you'll hear the servo start straining. And you'll see the servo saver moving, but the wheels aren't moving any further. So what I find it best to do is pick a direction. So whichever one you've pressed will light up green. And then start down at about 40%, so we can see and you can hear the servo's not straining. And then all you need to do is press the plus icon, and then all you're doing is turning it up till you get to the point where you can hear the servo still straining. So you're looking for the most amount of travel you can get before your wheel stops turning, the servo saver starts opening, and basically you want the servo to do that. No noise, it's not straining. Now if I turn the other way, you'll see that's straining. So it'll move to, the green one will move to the right now, and it's not necessarily going to be exactly the same figure. So if we just start turning the endpoint up, and you'll just reach a point where the servo starts to strain. Now you can look for other cues on your RCs. So on this one you can see where the flat on the arm actually comes round and lines up with the hub. So another good test, once you make sure it's not straining, is to make sure that the wheels are not trying to oversteer in any direction. So this one I just need to back it off a little. So basically you'll get a figure on both these where you can turn full lock on the transmitter. It doesn't stress the servo saver, it's not stressing the servo, and you don't want your arms to be pulled all the way into the hub. Now each RC is different, and if you talk to some people, they'll be more than happy with the flats coming all the way back and hitting the actual hub. Personally, I don't like running like that in any of my RCs because it tends to overwork the CV joints or your universal joints. But it's no good doing this with the vehicle on the floor, because your servo's always going to make noise, because it's pulling against the resistance of the actual floor surface. So you're better off setting this up with the wheels in the air, and as you hear, the servo's not struggling at either end, and we're not trying to overturn, and we're not overtaxing the CVs or CVDs or universal joints, whatever you have on the end of your drive shafts. So once they're set, you can just back out. And that's it. That's your endpoints fully adjusted and fully set up. So, thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like and subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow.